Hey Puddin', welcome back to your girl Brittanee, and we are in with our next part of the Christmas in July swap I hosted over on my Facebook group, BB's Crafty Peeps, and forgive me for my antics in this video, I tell you, but you are going to have a hoot, and you are just gonna love these. So let's go see. So kickstarting this video, we have Yancy, and you can find her at Yancy Creations over on Instagram. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I tell you what, y'all are always so generous when it comes to your swaps and gifting gifts to your friends. And that is so sweet of you. She has this sequin mix with these cute little foam balls that look static and get all over the place. Speaking truth, but they're still cute. And then she has the traditional sequin colors in there. She's also gifted some stickers. So cute. I love these little foam stickers there. And then her tag we're going to put to the side. But look at how cute this is. We have a little Santa here. It says Christmas greetings. She has the cute little poinsettias over here. Also stickled up. And then she has one here on the top of with her clothespin. Really pretty paper. And I love that she used the Christmas tree for her window. And then did the little pretty red glitter on the inside there of it. So cute. So again, you can find her at Yancy Creations. Adorable. So let's go ahead and dig right in. All right, so oh my gosh, her embellishments, look at how cute. We have these cute little mintons here. Says Santa. She added the little holly berries and the gold foam balls, and then she has that red glitter. She used the red foil for the shadow. How cute are these? And she popped it up on dimension so that way they would stand out. That is so stinking cute. Love it. And then, oh my goodness, let me open this one. Oh, look at this. So she has a little sled here. Then she has some skates dripping down. And it says jingle with a really pretty poinsettia. She has like all the greenery in the background there. How cute. So cute and delicate. Adorable. And then her die cuts. Let's see. She has chosen to do this really pretty star. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I love that. And it's popped up on foam. Gives it more dimension. How stinking cute. I love that. And then this one, let's see. Oops. Something stuck to me. This one, I'm not gonna lie, I honestly can't tell what this is. Is this a Santa sack? Is that what I'm looking at? I have no idea what I'm looking at. Is that a Santa sack? Are we on the same page? Let me know to make sure. I have never seen this one, and I'm thinking that's what that is, because that's like the opening of the bag, like, you know, when it's like plopped down on the floor and it's just like kind of just like, you know, on the sides. Yeah, you know I do sound effects. And so that's like what that reminds me of. So let me know if I'm not crazy, okay? And then here we have this cute little stocking. I love this red glitter. So pretty. And then here's that tree. So this is what she did for her window here, and this is just so pretty. How cute are you? And then last but not least, she has a little gift here. So stinking cute. And then we have her tag. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. So she did a little skate, and there's a candy cane in the background. It says fa la la. She has a cute little bow with the flowers. She has these so cute, these little pine cone sprays chilling in the back here. Again with the little greenery. So cute. And then there's her to from. This is so stinking adorable. Guys, please make sure you go show your love to Yancy at Yancy Creations. Next up, we have Dimples, and you can find her at Home Heart Creations 08 or at Home and Heart Creations with Dimples here on the tube. And let me tell you, every time this girl sends me a swap, I can't tell you how absolutely amazing it smells. Like the aroma, like every time you open the box, I'm like, ma'am, like this. Like, I embrace it. Like, it smells so good. And then as I was trying to delicately delicately remove this tissue paper because it is so stinking cute. Wouldn't work for me, but when I took the contents out, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I don't know if you smell like that all the time, but I'd probably be like all up under you all day because it smells fantastic. Okay, anyways, I digress. So she has the cute little gingerbread pouch. I've never seen this one. This is so cute with the little candies at the top there. Very, very clever. I don't know where y'all finding y'all pouches. I don't really shop anymore, so because I'm really trying to use what's in my stash, trying to be a good girl. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? So she's also added some goodies. Oh my gosh. Like I said, y'all are so generous. This really pretty organza bag. She has, what's this? A cookie cutter of a ginger. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. And then it's a sequin mix with like all the little ginger people. She has like the peppermints, the sprinkles, these cute like the little droplet, the dewdrops. And then look at it was so cute. I'm laughing to myself because the thing that popped into my head, do you know the Muffin Man? I'm sorry. Any Shrek fans out there? Okay. And then she has a recipe for some old-fashioned gingerbread cookies. And oh my goodness, I am not a baker. I do not have the patience. I am not. But, you know, I'll probably try. No, I'll give it to my friend so she can try because I don't bake. I don't bake, okay? I'm just going to keep it real. The Muffin Man. Oh, I'm sorry. It's stuck in my head now. Oh, not the gumdrop buttons. Oh, okay. I'm done. I'm so sorry. Oh, but this is just so cute. And look at the little ginger in the center of the flower. Oh my gosh, you're so adorable. It says sugar and spice. She just has the ginger just bamming on over this. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, not the gumdrop button. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I promise. Oh my gosh. Oh man, you can't help but crack yourself up when you've had a rough day. All right. So, oh, look at you just gifting away. Let's take a closer look. I have so many Pokey tools. It's not even funny. I keep them all. I keep them nearby. I cannot open you. Why? Okay. I think I got it. Look at how absolutely adorable this is. I cannot. Look at this. And then she has a little reindeer here and the little ginger. I'm telling you, playing a theme out through and through, you will literally have my heart because I just think it's so classy and it just looks so good. And baby, like, look at this. And you have like the little brown ones. Oh my gosh. And the little peppermint candies. Like, I cannot get over this. This is just so stinking cute. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. And then her embellishments. Oh, look at these. So we have like these little, let me go out because they were back to back. I figured it'd probably be a little difficult to see what's going on here. So they both say jolly. We have like these little cute little mugs. And then we have the pink and the red little gems there. And then we have the glitter red candy canes. These are so cute. Oh, I love it. So cute. And then for her die cuts, she did sentiments. They could do whatever die cuts they wanted to do. I just wanted them to do 5, okay? And actually, sentiments are my favorite. So this one says sugar and spice. We have gingerbread. We have gingy. We have, oh snap! And, ooh, where are we? We have kisses. So thank you so much for that, doll. And I'm finna die over this tag. I'm gonna die. Look at this tag. Oh my god. So it's a little cookie sheet, and then Ginger is in its slumber on the cookie sheet. I love it. Says ho ho ho. It's pulling up the curtain, or the curtains, the blanket, like, and like the little impression it leaves, so you can tell the movement of it. I cannot. And then she has this really pretty pink and red thread here for her hanging element. There's her to from. I absolutely love this. I love this, because get out, really? Just like, oh, I'm ready to cuddle up. Oh, now my gumdrop buttons. I know I said I was done, but I had to do it one more time. Oh, fantastic work. Beautiful work. Thank you so much, Dimples. Again, guys, go check her out at Home and Heart Creations with Dimples. Last but certainly not least, we have Sheila, and you can find her as Safara PDW over on the gram. And everyone has this cute little box that's included, but mine's just a tad bit bigger, so I'm not sure what yours contain, but I'm super excited because it makes me feel special. And let me tell you, her opening up her swap, like, everything was just so beautifully and neatly wrapped. Like, you know, like, it was just so much love just in wrapping it up was put into it. And that, my friends, kudos. So we are going to gracefully remove this, because I'm liking this. I really do. And we got a whole little Ginger theme going on. Just like in the other video, we had like that little wintry theme. Now we got little Gingy. This is so stinking cute already. Oh, how sweet of you. Happy Hands Mineral Mini Trio. How sweet. Ahava? I don't think I've seen this one. So yeah, Dead Sea Water, Mineral Hand Cream. This is Cactus and Pink Pepper. That's a weird combination. And then this one's water. It just says water. And then this one is Sea Kiss. Oh, thank you. Because I always like having like lotion on my desk. So right before I record, I'm like, ooh, girl, you actually put some lotion on. So this is perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you. And then here is, girl, wait, first of all, she pulled out all the stops. She said, forget y'all, I'm going to use some foil paper. And it came out beautifully. And she has a little guy and girl gingies. Why does like look like a scratch and sniff? Hold on. Okay, it's not, but it's like it's right there. So I'm like, is this a scratch and sniff? I don't know. But it says Mary. Oh, I wonder what collection this is. Oh, she has the back done up too. Oh, get out. So cute. Made with love. Indeed it was, my friend. Indeed it was. All right, so let's open her up. Am I opening the wrong side? Okay, no. So it is removable tape. Okay, just want to make sure. Do I have everything? Okay. And look how just nice and neatly it was all put together. I just took it out in one swipe. That's why I had to double check. Like, did I grab it all? Look at that. That, I'm telling you what. I tell you what. Baby, what do we got? Die cut number. She got it. She got number. She has them. Let me put them in order so I don't disrespect. Hold on. All right. Oh, see, I have 2 number 2s. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me get my ducks in a row. She has, like, she literally gave me instructions. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at all. I ain't mad. Give me instructions. All right. So this was... Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Now I got it. All right. Now we're legit. So here is her first handmade embellishments. Look at how stunning these are. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Like, look, she gave me instructions. Like, ladies, so you don't mess up. This is what you getting. Don't tell them otherwise. This is what you got. Look at it. You know what this remind me of? Bubble wands. You know, like when you have like those bubble guns and that spew out bubbles, and then as it goes in a circular motion, like that's what it's reminding me of. I tell ya. But this is so cute, and I love this paper. That is so pretty. Pretty little gems in the center. Oh, stunning. Stunning, stunning. And then for her next embellishment number 1. See, I already messed up because I did it in the wrong order. So, shame on me. Shame, shame. Look at how cute you are. So it's like a little circle pocket. We have a little ginger snowman. And the cute little flower. It says, come in and cozy up. Cute little flower in the back here. I just feel like it's just so elegant. It's just elegance. And so we have her die cuts. And this one says, excuse me. It says, ho, ho, ho. Is this a bag topper? Oh, it is. She's telling me what it is. It's a bag topper with a bag. So there is a bag inside. So she's hooking you up, my bride. And she has the cute little candy, the candy in the center here. How cute are you? I'm loving these colors. And then die cut 2 flat bows. And the pretty little gems on the center there. How cute are they? Oh, I love in that foil paper. And then this one is die cut number 3 sentiment. It says seeds and greetings. And oh my gosh, I have never seen this color in a foam. And that is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Then it says die cut number 4, flowers. And she didn't just hook us up with 1 flower. She gave us 3 flowers and added the gems in the center there. Very pretty paper choices that you use there for your flowers. Gorgeous. And then die cut number 5 is pocket and envelope. Oh, let me see this. I want to see this. Okay. How cute. So this has a little perforation, so you can go ahead and fold. And then, so we have the envelope here, and it's a little pocket. I love it. This paper collection is super cute. Hey, do you fit in here? Hey, and it fits in there. Look at that. Yeah, I like that. How super cute. And then last but not least, we have her tag. Look at how adorbs this is. She layered it up on foam, so it gives that nice thickness. And again, this foam color is beautiful. I don't know what it is. It's just like, oh, Brittanee, it's just like a tannish color. But when you don't see something in that color, it's just like, oh, gorgeous. And then she has this really pretty grass green ribbon here. It says Mary. And then she's also did some diamond dusting across the top of the stocking. How cute. I love it. Fantastic job. This group here, blown away. Kudos to you. So make sure you guys go ahead and show your love to Sheila, who again is Sapphira PDW. But don't stop there. Make sure you go say what's up to Yancy at ENC Creations. And by all means, go ahead and keep up with the ginger theme and say what's up to Dimples at Home and Heart Creations with Dimples. I swear, like, y'all are, whoo, I cannot. Make sure you check out the other videos if you had not checked those videos out already. Give the girls some love. Their information will be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.